Dan, a security manager in a global investment firm, realized he had an issue. Hey, Dan, is it okay if I share your story?
Hey, yeah, sure, go ahead.
Okay, so Dan and his team worked day and night to ensure the security of their company's network and operations. In recent years, they moved the majority of their data centers and workloads to the cloud, like many other companies. Gaining visibility into all their cloud data and workloads to prevent possible attacks became trickier, so they used analytics tools and SIEM solutions to try and help solve their problem. But this gained limited visibility and absolutely no context to shed light on malicious cloud activity. Their SIEM did not provide visibility into ephemeral assets like Lambda functions, NAT gateways, and others, and could not interpret cloud activities intelligently. But working for a major investment company, Dan had enough reasons to assume the worst. He wanted to look further. A week ago, his suspicions came true. A major security incident took place after a DevOps manager left broad privilege configurations to one of their cloud assets. Hackers who ran scans found that hole and began moving laterally across the company's cloud environment. They then created a role that granted them permissions to execute further until arriving at a sensitive customer database. The hackers infiltrated the database, exposing bank accounts, credit card numbers, and other sensitive information of customers and suppliers. It did not end there. They demanded ransom in order to not publish the data. The incident took Dan and his team into a spin. They worked around the clock to restore control over the cloud account. After countless hours and efforts, they regained control of the account. Exhausted but determined, Dan decided no more. Now, he's looking for the solution that will give him full visibility, understanding, and control over his cloud account environment and assets activity in a way that will allow him to identify anomalous behaviors from the start. In other words, Dan wants to find problems before they find him. He turned to all the leading cybersecurity companies in the market and did not skip the cloud service provider that has also issued a comprehensive security package. Each company provided a different offer, but they only gave him a partial solution. A limited visibility of ephemeral assets, cloud API, and access activity and investigation tools. Detecting cloud anomalies with no enriched traffic logs, predefined customizations and audit, limited forensic analysis or no forensic at all, no actual real-time analysis, and even the third-party SIEM integration is lacking. Dan knew better. He wanted more.
More visibility into ephemeral assets, better intuitive ways to read and understand the data, more indication and enrichment from multiple intelligence sources.
And then Dan came across a new solution from Checkpoint. Checkpoint CloudGuard Logic.
Yeah, that's something. CloudGuard Logic is a cloud-native threat protection and security analytics solution for the public cloud. Oh wait, my wife is calling. I should answer that.
Well, until Dan returns, move on to the next module to learn about CloudGuard Logic.